So, how do you find it?
Masarap. Actually, it's a snack for merienda talaga. Perfect for merienda. And parang nakakatuwa na Jollibee has organized such an event na such a time na from 3 to 4, it's what they call Crispy Wings, Crispy Hour. Then all of the crew will dance for Crispy Wings and then give away free wings, Crispy Wings. So it's an honor to be part of this event. And then we're only gonna do this for 4 Fridays this October. So at least may kasama ko this 100 discussion.
120. Sorry. We just thank you for the sampling, specifically for the sampling.
What projects are you doing right now? Just I've done Christian Rosa soaps, which is also done. Then now I'm doing 2 movies, which is Siya Lima at Siya with Westbrook and Senator Bong and then Saucy Problems also under Jamie Films. And then MMFF as well. And then Party Filipinos every Sunday. And then I'm doing an album under Universal Records. What type of music? Just ballad songs that will be released next year.
Hi, Alden. Are you done in school already?
No, I stopped.
You stopped?
Yes, because of
What course
showbiz.
were you taking before?
This is Administration Major in Operations Management. In
Where
Lasal,
at?
Luba.
Okay. So what influences do you think you got from the family getting into showbiz?
Actually, I'm the first one who started the line
Yes.
with getting into showbiz. But it's technically my mom pushed me to go get into showbiz kasi it has been her dream since when she was alive.
If you are to choose another brand to endorse, ano yun?
Of course, Jollibee.
Aside from Jollibee.
Kahapon yung kanyang
Yeah, I have Intel and favorite na also Belo.
Anong favorite mo aside from the crispy wings?
Yung champ,
You love the
as
champ,
in and then yung champ and the price
the fries.
compared to other fast food chains, Jollibee is affordable. Kasi yung every meal nila, sometimes when I go to different fast foods, I compare the receipts and then the meal that
What
I'm
was
having.
your first Jollibee product try? And when was that? Kailan ka unang-una nag-try ng Jollibee?
Hindi ko na po maalala, pero for sure, when I was like between 5 to 10 years old, I started with Jollibee already.
You wouldn't remember kung burger, fries.
I'm sure it's burger kasi I'm a fan of burgers.
You
Yes.
love burgers.
Yes.
Ano sabi ng mami mo about the Jollibee endorsement?
Actually, she passed away 4 years ago.
4 years ago. So, it's your dad na?
I'm just living this dream for her, for my family as well.
Yung dalawang movies, this for the festival in December.
Yes.
One is action and one is
One is action, one is social, I guess.
comedy.
So it's like rom-com. It's rom-com.
And your album, you will need to hear it.
No, under Universal Records.
Why not to hear it?
Universal Records offered first. Instead of Joe, because they're very interested to
What about
watch.
the return? Are you planning to go back to it?
Yes, soon. I have no projects lined up yet, but by next month I would know what will be next for me. Thank you.
Anong masasabi ko? Anong gusto mo sabihin sa lahat ng Jollibee fans? Mga
Of course, guys, you should try Jollibee Crispy Wings. It's a very special treat for snack time. And yung crispiness is different from Chicken Joy. It's not a competition with Chicken Joy. It has different taste since yung crispy wings is marinated in special seasoning. And then of course coated with really crispy layers of flavors. So for mga ko sa inyo, you should try it. Go to your nearest Jollibee store out there and grab crispy wings. It's between 70 pesos. You can pair it with rice or fries. And then you can get it for 6 pieces for a price of 140 pesos. And then 12 pieces is at 340 pesos. So sobrang affordable, guys. You should try it. Try it. Crispy wings, Jollibee Crispy Wings.
And where do they follow you? What's your Twitter and
Yeah,
Facebook?
it's Alden Richard 02 and in Instagram and on Twitter. It's Alden Richard 01 word.
Thank you, Alden.